if I compared it to Serbian chips, it's not that great.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Hello, and welcome to Australian Snacks.
Serbian plum heat and Australian future husband.
It's over. We're going to do some Aussie snacks today and have a reaction from this Serbian plum and see how she reacts to them.
Yes.
React.
And I would pretend like I've never tried them before, even though I lived here in Australia for 7 years. But just for you, I will pretend that I have never tried them before.
Some Smith's chips. Smith's chips. Salt and vinegar flavour. The only flavour. Delicious. Now, the trick is to always shake the bag. It really bothers when people don't do this because the seasoning settles.
Isn't that the case with any chips?
Well, yes, but our chips are so flavoursome, you wouldn't want to miss a single taste.
Okay. Ooh, I can feel the smell of that vinegar. Mmm. Mmm. Yes.
Chip and spares.
Yes. I will rate every snack 1 out of 5 kangaroos. We also did reaction to Serbian snacks. You can check that video right here in the corner if you want to. I would give this chips, compared to Serbian chips, a mark 3 out of 5 maybe.
Dare she?
The chips is great, but if I compared it to Serbian chips, it's not that great.
I mean, it's Australian childhood it's tasted to me, so it's like 5 out of 5. Question, no question. The best. Vegemite. Vegemite, an Australian institution. Made in Melbourne in the 1922, it's actually made from a byproduct of beer production, yeast extract, and a few spices. It's quite an acquired taste and must be prepared correctly, otherwise death may ensue.
Vegemite. Alright. Okay. You need to know how to properly eat this because when I first came here in Australia, when I was at uni, they put such a thick layer of Vegemite on the piece of bread that I wanted to throw up. So the trick is to just put a thin layer on a piece of bread, so almost it's like see-through, and obviously underneath you have like butter, and then you eat it, and then it's delicious.
Delicious. You're not too strong. But then again, sometimes you can work yourself up to very strong layers of Vegemite.
Love it. Good for breakfast, lunch, dinner, when you're lazy.
Bit of cheese, bit of avocado.
On it, it's amazing. Has a specific taste. It's not everyone's favourite.
Me?
I will give that 5 out of 5.
5 out of 5.
For sure. We don't have anything similar in Serbia. That's a truly unique product for Australia. I have a drink. I feel like we need a drink after all of this.
Bit of our Kirk's Pasito. Kirk's Pasito. Now Kirk's makes many different flavours of drinks, but to me the classic Pasito is probably the most classic and the best. Passion fruit flavour. Aussies love our passion fruit flavoured everything.
I have a Kirk's Pasito. A bit of a Kirk's Pasito. Are very popular Australian drinks on every parties and festivals.
We love everything passion fruit in this country.
I don't think that we have a passion fruit drink in Serbia, or even if I do, I don't remember trying it. But
Passion fruit's always the best.
it's refreshing. It's very refreshing. Yes, I would give it 5 out of 5.
It's gotta be.
It's gotta be. Called Shapes.
Shapes. Flavour you can see. Another classic. They come in several flavours including pizza, barbecue, chicken, but my favourite's always been pizza. Give them a go. Delicious.
Which are a form of biscuits. And they also need to be shaken. So have you actually eating the snacks?
So they're called shapes, flavour you can see, because as you can see, it's like that.
Because they're in a form of shape.
But also the fact the flavour is visible.
Shape. Let's have a go. This is a type of a snack that once you start eating it, you kind of can't stop it.
Oh yeah.
It's kind of like, it's a different flavor to Serbian plasma, but it has the same sentiment. Like once you start eating it, you cannot stop eating it. You just can't. You watch a TV show and like 1 box, 2 boxes, 3 boxes. Long.
I've not had this for so long. It's so good.
I would give this 5 kangaroos.
It's gotta be 5. Classic.
Okay. We're going to Australian favourites for, again, parties and all civic things. Lamingtons.
Lamingtons. Love them or love them, they're Lamingtons. Num num. It's basically a small piece of vanilla cake coated in chocolate and then coated in desiccated coconut.
Let's have a go. Look, I like it.
You better watch your words. Whatever she says next is going to be a...
Wedding is cancelled. It's great,
But
I don't understand why everyone is making such a fuss about it. Just a cake.
you're a cake.
It doesn't blow my mind. I would give it 3 out of 5.
I mean, I'll be honest. Yeah, it's a 4. It's still amazing, but it's. I'm not a huge coconut fan in general, but I must say I make an exception for Lamingtons. Now, onto the Tim Tams. Tim Tams, my favourite. A chocolate-coated biscuit that is 7 kinds of heaven. Best served straight out of the freezer with a glass of milk. Ah! I used to have a crippling addiction to Tim Tams. I would sometimes go through a packet an evening with a big glass of milk, a couple of glasses of milk. I'm not proud of those days, but I've overcome them.
He has grown into a better man. So it's pretty much like a biscuit with a chocolate, like a wafer biscuit with a chocolate, and it actually is really nice. And they're making it in different flavors. You have like white chocolate, you have like
caramel,
but this is the original flavor, which is just chocolate and wafer. Another favorite of mine that once you start eating it, you can't stop it. As you can see, Alistair's face, she's like in another planet. 10 out of 5.
And Freddos, a classic Aussie chocolate treat. Little frog-shaped chocolates. Little frog-shaped chocolates. Delicious.
Another favorite of Australian. Now these are more dangerous than Tim Tams. They come in a bag of 20, and you simply cannot have just one. You have to have many all the time. Oh, I'm still eating my Tim Tams. Bro, away from me. I'm gonna have a Freddo.
It's just Cadbury chocolate, but it's shaped like a Australian frog, so.
I don't think there's anything similar in Serbia like this. Because it's not similar to Najlepša želje or like...
Your chocolates are very different, yeah. Australian chocolate, because of the hot weather, they use different ingredients, and so... It's strange, yeah. It's more kind of creamy, but less kind of creamy. I don't know, it's hard to explain. Rating for the Freddos.
Oh yeah, 10. 10 kangaroos out of 5.
Yeah, so it's a 5.
Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you want to check out Alistair reacted to Serbian snacks as well, please like and subscribe.
Thank you. Join us again, and we'll see you in space. Whoa!